Here at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in Cleveland, Ohio, we have an iconic, one-of-a-kind building. When you think about a building such as ours with a glass pyramid out front and 1,500 panes of glass, it's much like sitting in a car in the summertime with the windows rolled up but on steroids. It can get pretty uncomfortable in here. One of the things that this window film will do for us is significantly reduce the sun glare, and we've already seen a dramatic improvement. We're able to much better regulate the temperature levels, and we expect we're going to reduce our energy costs by anywhere from about 8 to 12%. And in addition to that, it's going to reduce the load and the heat in the building, which is going to mean that our HVAC systems will have a longer life, and that will also correspond to a direct financial return for us on this investment.